inaugurate Kartavya, our 21st year exhibition. Now everyone is talking about intelligent quotient and emotional quotient. We can talk very proudly about the social quotient that we have touched upon with the help of these 8 great heroes, who have made us realize the true essence of social quotient. We are greatly honored to have with us such humble people who have all dedicated their lives for a social cause and become change makers. I feel it's a great honor to have them all with us too. All the students who went to visit each one of them were touched by their story and their simplicity and having family. They were moved by the hospitality extended by each and every one of them. I think our school kids are very lucky to have had such a wonderful experience. It's been a tremendous learning experience for our children doing a presentation about them. As all the presentations have been entirely done by the students themselves, I request our guests to bear with any mistakes they would have committed in the process and assure you that with your guidance they will have them all corrected. Now let me introduce each one of them. Mr. K. Ramamurthy. Please, Mr. K. Ramamurthy. He is a social worker and the founder of SONEWS. The predominantly works towards the betterment of the oppressed children and women in the rural areas. He takes care of tribal and underprivileged children near Elagiri, Vellore district, Tamil Nadu, in a hostel. He has met Gandhiji and Nelson Mandela and has been inspired by their work. His vision is that one day rural areas will get the same quality of education as the urban area. The students of his school will later on present his skill for you. Next, I will introduce Mr. Arun Krishnamurthy. He is an environmentalist working to restore lakes in Chennai. He is an environmental activist who has initiated campaign cleaning various lakes across India. He founded the NGO Environmentalist Foundation of India in 2011. Based in Chennai, which has its branches in other cities such as Hyderabad, Delhi and Kolkata. Arun's organization has been successful in completely restoring 5 lakes in the country. His aim is to restore the natural environments for birds and animals. Dr. Satya Prema, a social worker. She was inspired by her husband, who was a doctor and was very generous. She was also a member of the Lions Club and the LEL. She has been working for women empowerment all her life and holds this cause very close to her heart. Next, Mr. Kannan, technopreneur. Mr. Kannan is an IIT Madras candidate, alumni. He is a senior entrepreneur, a social worker, and an award-winning innovator. Mr. Kannan is a pioneer in the creation of the new age ATMs, which consumes less power and has various other features. He has also created a device which makes yarn by spinning microfibers of cotton. He also created a metal welding simulator. Next, Mr. Manohar Devadas, an artist extraordinary. Manohar is a scientist, writer and an artist, an innovator with a restless intelligence and vivid imagination. Manohar Devadas is a grace personified. Overcoming insurmountable odds that life throws at him, his creed has been the impossible is worth reaching for. Next, I'd like to introduce Mrs. Shobha Menon of Asia. Mrs. Shobha Menon is an environmentalist and one of the founder trustees of MIRAL, a Chennai-based NGO engaged in promoting tree culture in urban areas. From a dumping ground to a tree park alongside the Arya River, the transformation that took more than 3 years has come through hard work and toil. Not to forget the lone water pump picnic and ball house by MIRAL volunteers. The NGO is known to walk the talk through one of its most popular programs, the Tree Walk, especially the Free the Tree campaigns where trees suffering abuse come in for special attention. Next, Mr. Anandu of Save Food Activity. He is an environmental activist and a crusader for organic farming. He works with farmers and encourages them to do organic farming and ensures safe food. He prefers organic food, organically guided towards everything organic because of the pesticides and chemicals present in non-organic crops and spices. Last but not least, Mr. Ramnath Chandrasekhar, a person who has transformed for nature, animals and care for the environment around him. Mr. Ramnath Chandrasekhar is a naturalist, a wildlife photographer and conservationist. He is also Mr. Shekhar Dattatri's protege. Thank you so much, children. Now I will ask Raji to take over to continue with the program.
These children are the ones who are going to set the quality of life in India. They have come, they saw the less fortunate children, they merged with them, they have come back with wonderful thoughts. I really admire you, your institution, which is based in an urban area, recognizes the deficiencies that are in the rural area. I am very grateful to all of you. The least that we can do is to give them some books which uphold high morality, high standards and equality in life in this beautiful country of ours. Thank you very much. I wish you children a wonderful day. Thank you.
Actually do. I'm very honored, deeply moved by every single thing that you've done. And as the play progressed, how every single one of you made eye contact with me, my eyes were just frozen on you. So for that, to your teachers and to all of you, I'm very grateful. You're a wonderful God. To Chaitanya, to all his classmates whom I was talking to, and to all of you, and the big plans that we have for the Tanampur Lake, for the Arasan Kandi Lake. So this is a relationship we are starting today, and will go a long, long way. Yes, thank you, thank you.
My lovely friends, children who came and interviewed me, and I depicted my challenges for directly. I am very thankful to the WT, my love and affection to everybody. Thank you very much.
Very intelligently asked questions. So I won't have much to say. I will only say that I am very happy of being an Indian. And every time I see good people in India doing good work, I feel happy. And the children, when they came to interview me, I'm so happy to be for my 79th birthday. And my 79th birthday turned out to be a really special one. And today, I feel again extremely happy that such concentration of wonderful service-minded people are here under one roof, and I feel very privileged and again say I'm very proud of being in India and I'm very proud of Nature Seeds School.
And speechless, amazed, First I thought I was not in the league. These were all the bigger stars than me. Dr. Mustakan and Arun, the way they did play, they were all my motivators and hopes. Now I see there are all these are the heroes. So I'm still caught in between. And neither day or here. It'll be amazing to see this. It's fantastic. The way everybody has actually created this himself, actually did it, and each one has an imagination of this and they are brought it out so very well and just amazed. And you are all the heroes and you are all the hopes. This is the motivation that I can carry home and try to strive and do something better. Thank you. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Thank you so much. I'm going to speak for 2 minutes. I'm also very, very hungry, so I'm not going to speak more than that. I was extremely moved by the students who came home because I was hoping that if I was studying in the school when I was in 3rd or 4th, I would have had the pleasure of meeting some wonderful people. And one of the things that I would like to share is right now, when I work in the field of photography or filmmaking and conservation education, it all started when I was in 3rd or 4th or 5th class. And what I had in common with the school was a wonderful backyard and a campus like this, which was actually behind my house. So I had the opportunity of planting a lot of fruiting trees and making a pond, waiting for it to turn into an ecosystem, and creating a wonderful garden with just native species and waiting for an incredible amount of birds and butterflies and fishes to come back to my house. And I actually did, and right now that is probably one of the building blocks, or probably I would call the foundation that actually sustains me in doing what I'm doing now. So you have a wonderful campus around and you do a lot of stuff here and you have wonderful children. So I'm very, very glad to be here. And it's been an incredible pleasure for me being with your children. Thank you very much, and I'd like to come back again to the school and be here on radio. Thank you everybody for listening.
A great pleasure interacting with all of you. I think this school is doing a wonderful job of giving you exposure to so many great people who have come here today. I'm very happy to be part of this whole initiative. Wish you all the best.